The Sutra of Kṣitigarbha Bodhisattva's Original Vow. Chapter 3. Contemplating the Karmic Conditions of Beings. Earthstore replied, "Worthy Mother, the hells are all within the great Iron Ring Mountain. The 18 great hells and the 500 subsequent ones each have their own names. There are hundreds of thousands more that also have their own names. The relentless hell is found within a city of hells that encompasses more than 80,000 square miles. That city is made entirely of iron. 10,000 miles above the city is an unbroken mass of fire. Within the city are many interconnected hells, each with a different name. There is just one hell called relentless. Its circumference is 18,000 miles. The wall of that hell is 1,000 miles high, totally made of iron, and covered with a fire burning downward that is joined by a fire burning upward. Iron snakes and dogs spewing fire race back and forth atop that wall. In that hell is a bed that extends for 10,000 miles. One person undergoing punishment sees his or her own body filling the entire bed. When millions of people undergo punishment simultaneously, each still sees his or her own body filling the bed. That is how retributions are undergone by those with the same karma. What is more, these offenders undergo extreme suffering. Thousands of yakshas and other evil ghosts display fangs like swords and eyes like lightning, as they pull and drag the offenders using their brass-clawed hands. Other yakshas wield huge iron halberds that they use to pierce the offenders' mouths and noses, or stab their bellies and backs. They toss the offenders into the air, and then catch them by skewering them with the halberds, or they let them drop onto the bed. Iron eagles peck at the offenders' eyes, and iron serpents wrap around their necks. Long nails are driven into all their limbs. Their tongues are pulled out, stretched, and then ploughed through. Their internal organs are gouged out, sliced and minced. Molten copper is poured into their mouths, and their bodies are bound with hot iron. Responses to their karma go on like that throughout tens of thousands of deaths and rebirths. They pass through millions of eons, seeking escape in vain. When this world is destroyed, they find themselves in another world. When that world is destroyed, they pass to another one. When that world too is destroyed, they move on to another. When this world comes into being again, they return here. The situation involving relentless retribution for offenses is like that. Moreover, 5 karmic responses account for the name relentless. What are the 5?